So here we have some missing number subtractions. Now we might already know how to solve these using column subtraction, but let's see if we can solve them mentally. So for this first question, the 100,000s digit is the same, and the digits in the hundreds, tens and units are also the same. So if we ignore these digits, how can you get 15 from 22? You subtract 7, so our answer is 7,000 because the hundreds, tens and units have stayed the same. So why did the first two, the one here in the 10,000s, change to a 1, even though we were subtracting thousands, not 10,000s? Well, that's because of exchanging or regrouping. If we look at the thousands digit, we can't do 2 minus 5, so the 10,000s digit has to change as well. Now for this next question, we can highlight the digits that have changed. So how do you get 95 from 103? You subtract 8. So our answer is 8,000 because the hundreds, tens and units have stayed the same. Now you might want to pause the video here and do 4,103,003 minus 8,000 as a column subtraction, because that will help you understand why 3 digits have changed and why highlighting the digits that have changed, like we have done here, has helped us to work out the answer mentally. Now for this last question, what has been subtracted here? Well, the number is the same but without the millions digit, so 2 million has been subtracted.